Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can find an entire sheet in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data in Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you how we can find a data in the entire sheet in Microsoft Excel. First of all, I'm going to go to the Find menu. We can go to the Find menu right here, select Find, or you can simply click on Control and F on your keyboard at the same time, and then you can find the data. You just need to type in the data you want to find. For example, I'm going to find this word. Okay, and then if we want to find an entire sheet, we need to select Workbook right here. Okay, and then you can click on Find All. Alright, and these are the word, this word in every sheet I have. You just need to click on the sheet like this, set 1, set 2, set 3. Okay, and as you can see, 9 cells found. These are the cells which contains this word on it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find with an entire sheet in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.